Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix App Store and app update issues on iOS 26 using iPhone 13 Pro Max. If app doesn't download, update, are stuck, or the App Store won't load, follow these steps. First, make sure you are connected with good internet, Wi-Fi, or mobile data. Open a website or video to confirm your internet is working. The App Store won't work properly without a stable connection. Press and hold the side button and the volume button together. Slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This fixes many temporary App Store glitches. After that, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, find the stuck app update and tap pause. This tap resume. This refreshes the download process. After that, go back to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If storage is almost full, app may fail to install or update. Delete unused app, videos or photos to free space. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.